Hey fellas, this is the time of the year when I go pull my boat out. This year has been a little bit late. This is almost 8th and 9th of the November. Usually I pull it out in the end of October. So the boating season in Maryland officially ended. I mean, you can still go fish and do stuff. Rock fishing is allowed, I think, till the end of December. But the water temperature is cold, and it's about time, most of the people pull their boats out. So I'm gonna do the same. If you see, I have hook up my trailer in the back, and I'm on my way to pick up the boat. So yep, it's that time of the year. I know everybody's sympathizing with me. You guys have empathy with me. It's completely understandable. A fellow boater would understand. So right now I'm gonna go to the pier. Currently the tide is low. When the tide is low, it's a little bit problematic to pull the boat out, but not, is doable. So I'm gonna do it anyhow. The high tide is around 4 o'clock, and right now it's almost 10 something. So I'm on my way. We'll meet once I get to the ramp. So here's the thing, when I almost got to the ramp, I learned that the street was closed and we have to turn around. So now everybody is taking this route that I'm taking as well. So here I am at the boat ramp. If you can see, just a few, like 3 boats out. Some people took their boats out because today's a nice day. I'm gonna check the conditions of the tide. The tide actually does look good. It's not bad at all. So tide is gonna go down eventually. So this is a good sign. Tide is good. So look how beautiful the fall looks in Maryland. So I'm gonna park my trailer here in the parking lot and then gonna head out for the pick up my boat. I have to take an Uber because so I am waiting on my lift right here, standing in the corner. That's the boat ramp. So the lift says it's gonna be about 2 minutes. So I got here at the boat. Gonna start. It's been a while, haven't started the boat. The day is really nice. It's gonna be in 70s. But this is the only day, a nicer day left in the month of November. Next week is going to be in 50s and lower. So I'm going to take the boat out. What I'm going to do, I'm going to bring my antenna down, because when you're hauling, you want to bring your antenna down. You want to make sure all your loose objects are secured. I'm going to take out all my lines. I'm going to take out my fenders for the season that I have here on the side of the boat. Let's go ahead and start the boat. So boat started, that's a good thing. It's been a while, haven't started it. Gonna let it warm up. I'm gonna take my boat and go to the pier. Taking out my lines. I'm gonna do the same thing in the front. And then take the right. These folks that you see on the left are staying. 3 of these people are staying here too. That is Army Corps of Engineers. They have a lift in the front. Beautiful day, but I gotta store my boat. So let's start with the journey. That's my boat right there. Docked my boat and I went to get my trailer. Now here's the thing, somebody stole my pin from the hitch, and I'll show you what it is. So this is the pin somebody stole from my hitch, and what happened, as I was taking the turn to get to the ramp, my hitch came off from here because there was no pin, and it came out and my trailer came off. Luckily I had the safety hooks on, so my trailer then backed into the water. The trailer didn't get completely off the hook, but you know, my wheel was turned, so I had to lift the trailer, put the hitch back and hook it up again. Alright fellas, if you see, the boat is on the trailer. I gotta put that safety chain on, don't forget, and then I'm gonna pull it out. Safety chain is on. It's hard for me to record and do things. I don't have my stand, but let's pull it out. Another thing, you see my tires in the water. If you have a 4x4, engage the 4x4 so your tires don't slip. You don't want to be on baby boats. So I'm going to put my truck in 4x4, foot in gear, take off the handbrake and pull it out. Slowly and surely. What you want to make sure that your boat is sitting right on the trailer. Everything looks good. Sitting right on the trailer, sitting right on the rollers, even on both sides. Just making sure, all good. Now I'm gonna connect my electrical, because when you're in the water you want the electrical to be connected. Electrical connected. I just want to share with you the strap broke, and I'm glad it broke right here where I was in the parking lot trying to tie up the boat. Now I'm gonna set this up, and I'm gonna have an extra layer of security. I always carry extra straps with me, so we're gonna tie this up and secure, and never give up. Always have a plan B. That's what you got to do. So let's go ahead and do our plan B. So I got that in place, and now I have this extra layer of security right here, like this. Tied it up. So that's that, good to go. Let's head out. Actually, I'm so glad that when I was trying to tie up my boat, it snapped right here rather than in the street. In the street it would have been disaster. So let's go and roll out. All looks good. So this is what salt water does. See all that slime? I gotta clean. Even a night crawler in there. life happens, right? So we're gonna clean all this up. Today everything went wrong. The power washer stopped working, but I had a plan B. I had my neighbor asking him I might need his power washer in case mine doesn't work. So today is not the day, my friend, but the show must go on. So as you can see, the boat is completely done. The bottom has been cleaned. The one thing, if you have a good bottom paint, not much barnacle attached to it, and then if you move your boat a lot too, that counts too. If you see, my coat is coming off, or before I put in the water next summer, I'm gonna clean the bottom again with the power washer and then apply a coat. But overall it looks good, no complaints, no problems. Let me show you the other side how it looks. All looks good, bottom looks good. Let me show you the drive. This year I applied the dry paint as well, and that really helped. It was not too much accumulation in there as well. One thing I would say, the zincs are very important, and if you see, my zincs are almost gone, so I'll be replacing them for the next year. Same thing at the bottom, but overall really satisfied. Everything worked as it should. So that being said, I'm gonna end this video, and I'm thank everybody for being part of this YouTube channel. Thank you so much. See you sometime somewhere again. Take care. Bye bye.